Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable input director language bar in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to enable or disable input director language bar in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, right click. After click on personalize. After click on taskbar. Now scroll down and here option turn system icons on or off, so click it. Now scroll down here option input director, so if you want to disable, so slash toggle off position, and if you want to enable, so slash toggle on position. That is, if you want to disable, slash toggle off position, enable, so slash toggle on position. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to enable or disable input director language bar in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.